Hello everyone, welcome to Black Stakes, your go-to place for all things technology. I am Pawan and in this channel we will dive deep into the fascinating world of PCB design with a special focus on the Allegro OrCAD 17.2 toolset. If you are new to PCB design or looking to enhance your skills, you are in the right place. In this course, I will walk you through every single step of the PCB design process, right from the basic to advanced concepts, whether you are designing for simple circuit or complex multi-layer boards. By the end of this series, you will have the expertise to design professional quality PCBs. Okay, we will start from scratch, so don't worry if you are a complete beginner. Here's a quick overview of what you will get. Okay, so first we will go through the Allegro OrCAD 17.2 tools interface, features and overall setups. After that we will learn how to create schematic symbols, schematic diagrams or circuits, professional looking bill of material, how to create a footprint for component, how to place the component and routing strategy and much more. Also we will explore signal integrity, power distribution and other advanced topics to make sure your PCB performs perfectly. We will also learn how to use built-in design rule checks DRC and electrical rule checks ERC to ensure your design works flawlessly. We will also learn how to visualize and inspect your design in 3D model to ensure everything fits together as expected and to check for any potential issue in the physical layout. Lastly, we will cover how to generate the files you need to send to manufacturer to bring your design to life. And the best part, everything is broken down step by step with hands-on examples so you can follow along and apply what you learn. So let's get started with how to download and install Allegro OrCAD 17.2 software toolset. So we dive into the course content. Let's get you set up with Allegro OrCAD 17.2. I will guide you through the step to install the free trial version of the Allegro OrCAD 17.2 software so you are ready to start designing. Okay, so first step is to go to your favorite web browser. Okay, and search for the Cadence Design System free trial. Okay, Cadence Design System free trial. After that, click on the correct official website, which is the www.cadence.com. Click on this website. Okay, once you are on the website, you get the two options. First is for the login and second is for the new user. If you don't already have an account, create one by signing up for new user. If you already have an account, simply log in into proceed. Yes, I have already account, so I click on the login. Okay, this is here. I enter me login ID and here is the password. Just login. After logged in, search for the free trial option for Allegro technology and click on it. Okay, just scroll down here and I found Allegro technology. This is for the empower schematic and circuit design with layout tools, system analysis and InDesign analysis. So I request for this free trial. Click on this link. Okay. After that, you will then be promoted to fill in your details such as first name, last name, and email address. Complete the form and submit it. Okay, here we get the form. Mention your first, last name, your company or your institute name. If you are a student, you need to mention here your institute name, your email address, phone number, and location country wise. After that, mention the reason why you need this software. Okay, after that, submit this form. Okay, after some time you will receive and download link at the email address you provided. Simply click the download link to start the downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. Okay, once after that, since you have already installed the software, you should be all set to start design once the installation is completed. After installation, open Allegro OrCAD and you are ready to start designing. Okay, so I just show you the interface of OrCAD Allegro 17.2 PCB Design Tools. Okay, just go to the start menu, then all. Here I get the Cadence Release 17.2. Just click on it, and here the Capture CS. This is for draw the circuits. Yeah, it'll take time to loading. This is the schematic capture, and second one is the start menu. Here get the PCB editor tool. Okay, just open it. PCB editor section look like this. So all is good. After, if you are into any issue, if you run into any issue during the installation, don't worry, I will also include some helpful resources in the description below to guide you through the process. Thank you. Thanks for tuning into Blackstakes. Let's start designing those PCBs. If you enjoyed the video, please support the channel by subscribing and sharing it with others. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.